So we already back. Same clothes on, so you know we ain't changed. We came right back in from burning out. And guess what? We couldn't wait. So we about to go ahead and put hubby's is also on. My bike a little hot. She just came from outside. So we gonna let her cool down. But this one ready. So we about to show y'all what that do. Hubby already under there digging. Hold on, baby. Hold on.
Control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we can share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could go all night. We could go all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night.
Yeah, put it in part for me.
Yeah, it is. Just have to roll it a little.
That one came all the way out.
We already got one spring out. Okay, look at you, Diddy.
Watch out.
Okay. I'm here for moral support.
Yeah.
I ain't doing this install, y'all. This for daddy here. Yes. I'm here for moral support. I can give a hand if need be. I'm not gonna shoot out this web music.
What's up, man?
I want to blow an eye out.
Nah.
Oh. Just make sure you don't come this way.
Oh, it's right here, too.
Can I see it from over there? I'm trying to see what you're doing. Yeah, go ahead.
It's best to pull this over here. See? Can you see it?
Put the camera on it. Let's show what you're talking about.
See, y'all? It's right here. I might even be able to do it while holding the camera.
Don't bust the camera up. It costs a lot of money.
Well, that spring on there, buddy. Okay.
Yes.
See? It comes straight off.
Good job. There's just one more?
There's just two of them.
Oh, so why didn't you drop me? Oh, cause the boat?
There's the boat in the back.
So it's just two springs in a boat? Get out.
Yep.
I don't know, y'all. I might be able to do mine.
Nah, you do have to have. You have to put. You got to put a little something on it though to get that spring.
Yeah, I see. All right, so the boat on this side. So we got the two springs off, and now there is
Where the other spring
a
at?
boat, and I can see the boat from right here.
Where the other spring
That's
at?
the boat right there.
Right. Yeah, that's it right here.
It was one in the front.
In the
Not
front
of the bike, but like on that side, but under the bike. You have to shine a light or something. He got one right here. Look for this one.
Of course, no, I know that, but that one, that.
Okay. The other one was on that side. Like, you probably dragged it on that cover. You pulled it. It probably slid or something. Because it was up here. And I was looking at it. So one there.
There we go.
And there it go. We found the missing springs.
Missing spring.
Spring. Hiya. Put a little bed down.
You want to come hold the light for me, baby?
Yes.
Come around this way. I don't know. Right here is good.
Sure.
Yeah, let's make sure. Make sure we come in the right way.
I'll make sure it don't slide. So as you can see, there's the boat. Right there. Pull it, baby. Pull it.
Oh, it's coming off of here.
Oh. Gotta put elbow grease in that one. There you go. Oh, I can only imagine it when it's time to tighten that thing back up. Gotta push it all your part. And that thing back is shaking, baby. Shaking like a rump shaker.
It's shaking like a salt shaker.
Shaking like a rump shaker. Old people say rump.
I'm about to say, yeah. You'll tell them the right thing to say, and they'll still keep saying what they want to say.
Period. getting looser, guys.
See, it's moving.
I hear it. 3 hours later.
They want this boat to be all the way in here, ain't it?
Okay.
Yeah. Hold on, babe. I still need the light.
Oh, all right. I'm about to show the little rusty stop exhaust. Know that thing ugly.
All right. Here, come around on this side.
Okay.
Man, this thing so freaking heavy.
Ugh, look how brown it is.
Look how heavy. Come here.
Ew. Put this down.
The little rubber piece must still be in there. I'll check it. Here, try to, here. No, they ain't had that on our bike.
This is heavy. Like, yo,
Yeah,
I
bro.
can hold the other one with one hand.
You might can hold that one too. You arm is strong. Strong, baby.
I mean, I can.
Oh, don't show out on
I
it now.
mean, but I can't do it too many times.
Yeah, go on, put it over there.
Good.
That don't make no sense.
That's why my tail been dragging.
Here you go.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Boof, be gone.
Oh, okay. Way to light it. Yeah, let me check. I gotta see about this other one. It's supposed to have a little
I'm
rubber.
excited. Y'all know you about to act stupid when it's time to test of that.
Oh, it's still on here.
What's on
Perfect. The little rubber gasket.
that stays?
Yep.
Rubber gasket stays, y'all. Like I know what I'm talking about. Look at that thing there. Woo! He ain't even unwrap it yet. Want to make sure that baby stayed protected.
It's way lighter. I know you just got finished holding that one, so.
Yeah, like 2 to 3 times lighter. Look, not even a struggle.
That's crazy.
Look at God.
And what I'm gonna do is, I mean, I ain't seen nobody do it, but I'm gonna take this right here and I'm gonna put it up under here with the cloth thing, so
Make
it's even
sure.
more, you know.
Can't mess this one up. Grab it. I don't even put it on the ground. So we actually, when did we purchase these? We purchased these
Hey, can
April.
you give me the what you call right behind you?
What's that?
The orange thing, the razor knife.
Box cutter. So we purchased these April 9th. I can't tell y'all the full story because without giving away other stuff, but they just came today. And today is May 10th. But we are excited and ready to put it on. Look how clean that baby is compared to that little dust bucket.
I mean, look at this, y'all.
Oh,
Look at your
my
reflection.
Lord. I can see my beautiful face.
Okay, now what we have to do over here is,
This way I gotta help hold it up.
now we gotta get one spring on one side, and that's kind of gonna hold it. That's gonna hold it over there in place. Lift it up right here, twist the boat in, and tighten it all the way down. Then go ahead and just put the other spring on the other side.
Okay. So what do you need me to do?
Stay there looking beautiful.
I knew it. I hold the light. I'm the light girl. Gotta come this side first.
Yep. Gonna move this out the way since we going back and forth.
Mo, I don't know if you watch this channel, but you ain't about to be the only one coming in hot, bruh.
He better watch it.
He better
subscribe.
watch it. He better.
If you don't, Mo, you need to just go on ahead. In other words, we'll get everybody's phone. We'll go on ahead and
Right.
subscribe for y'all.
Take your phone. I'll give it back in about 2 minutes. Maybe less. Yeah, we just had a meet and greet on Saturday, and one of our riders showed up when we was done, and now we know why. came in with them pipes blazing. He actually got the Brandon King exhaust, y'all, and I must say, it sounds
In person?
good.
I'm telling you.
In person. Brandon King actually sent me the videos because I was, you know, on the fence, just trying to see what I really wanted. Wasn't quite sure, but when I say he sent me the videos, and when I heard it in person, the videos did no justice. I'm sorry, but that thing sounds so good in person.
Okay.
Can you see?
Yep, I'm good.
Okay. So good in person. So I
We
don't
back over here,
know,
baby.
but we might, you know, have little exhaust options in the future. If it's this easy to take them on and off, we might, you know, one day we might have Treal, one day we might have Brandon King. You know, telling. You need me to hold anything?
No, but
Okay. Light.
yeah, I'm just trying to see where. Trying to see where them threads at.
Side go up.
See, that's only one problem.
So is it hanging by the springs already? Both of them?
Nah, just one. You need
Oh.
to have just one. Have it a little loose, so.
I should tell y'all a story why he doing that. Should I tell him a story?
I don't know. Maybe we need to go to 3 hours later.
Oh man.
Oh, hold up.
Me sitting here trying to think of a story. I don't know a story.
I think I got it caught. I think.
You stop squealing.
That don't mean that.
Fred, stop squealing. Sounds like we're on to something.
Oh, dang it.
No.
The only problem you have, you cannot see it. You have to like try to line it up the best you can to put the bolt in. Like when I say you
That
can,
little notch.
yeah, when I say you cannot see it, come back behind here real quick, Q. I might can see a little something. Like stand like, right there. You gotta stand like in between there. Like shine it like in this crevice. There you go.
Oh, I see.
Make sure it's going the right way for me. No. Like, do it. Okay. Feel like it's tightening up.
There it goes.
I think I got it. I do. I'm not holding it.
Oh my God.
Before I tighten it all the way up, I'm gonna come over here and I'm gonna put the other spring in. Babe, can I get the light? Filming me?
Yeah, baby, you live.
Just making sure.
Can't let all this hard work go to waste.
Ooh, boy, try to pull this spring. Well, let me try to turn it around the other way. Please. Boy, it seems like this one harder.
Then the other one.
Yeah, that other one is right
Yeah,
there.
quick. I didn't even know you put it in.
I'm telling you, it's right there. This one, you have to pull that joke hard, bro.
Think it's rusty?
Nah, it's not that it's rusty. It's just, I feel like they probably need to put a, that probably helps it.
Stay together.
Yes, it seals it probably real tight. It's like I need to, I can pull it, but I need to kind of push it in place. Hate to say it, I think I need to pull it up on something. So I need to kind of get my other, in other words, I'm pulling it, but I can't pull it and go like that into there. I need to pull it and then kind of push it with my other hand.
Still pulling it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Here you go, my phone. It's kind of what I need to do, but.
You did. Good job. Got it, y'all.
Check out how that trail gonna be looking to sit.
Ooh, I like how they got the name.
Yeah, so you already know what it is. Don't ask.
On there. That
Don't ask me what I got.
don't
Look
ask
under
what
here.
I got. Read.
Look at. Let me see. She a complete thug, y'all. You heard that? Don't ask what I got. Read.
Read. That's what I'm telling.
Okay.
You gotta do.
You know what this means, right? You get to go outside, be the first one to crank it up, go up and down the road,
Oh my God.
and you get to do a burnout.
Oh.
Where do you usually have your pegs at?
My pants I think are at like
Where they at?
a 3. Oh my gosh. You about to wake up the neighbors.
About to wake up, Ike.
Ooh.
Oh, scared as all get out. And like, look right here. Like, bring the camera. Come behind me on this side. Look, see the wells right there? See, look at my hand
A whole lot cleaner.
right there. And then look, that's, see it? Spring. That's where it goes into the exhaust and everything. Yeah. And use that same gasket and everything, y'all. Don't have to take that out or nothing like that. That's the original one. And see, it's look brand new. See? Gasket right there. See the gasket? It's like black with it in. So yeah.
Cool.
And mine's gonna be like a little cold start, as they said. Let me see the keys.
Yeah, roll it out, baby.
It's your phone. Alright, let's move everything out the way.
Oh yeah. Gotta clean up. Then we'll be back.